In this video, I'm gonna bring you the most complete and detailed review of Legendary Marketer. Hey guys, welcome to the Future Passive Income channel. In this channel, we are going to teach you how you can make money online and generate a passive income. I will review a program that calls Legendary Marketer. Few months ago, I first heard about Legendary Marketer from the Facebook affiliate group. The programs that helps you how you can start an online business and teaches you how to make money online. This training comes in the form of written articles, online events, video content, and in person events. It also covers the various aspects of affiliate marketing, coaching, consulting, and also even selling your own digital products. They teach you how to create a sales funnel, which is very essential in online business today. How to create an email sequence and follow up with your customers and leads. And more importantly, they will teach you how to generate a traffic. So I have decided to join the Legendary Marketer and gone through 15-day business builder challenge. Here on the screen you can see the 15-day business builder challenge. Once you sign up the process, each day they will unlock the challenge. The 15-day challenge is basically Dave Sharp is talking about different strategies and things about affiliate marketing, high ticket purchase, and how to change a mindset about money. And there are lot of information available in 15-day challenge, which was very pretty. But actually a person who has never done an online marketing could actually benefit the 15-day business builder challenge. So guys, after completing day 1 and day 2, you need to schedule one-on-one appointment with your business advisor. You can see on the screen over here, you need to schedule your one-on-one meeting with your business advisor. They will tell you about Legendary Marketer and the online business. If you have any doubt, then you can directly question them and they will answer you. After that, you need to schedule 2 to 3 meetings with a business advisor. They will guide your business plan and giving you the templates of business plan. My business advisor was very friendly. He answered all my questions and also explained me about Legendary Marketer and how it works. So in $7, think about it. In just $7, you will get a valuable knowledge to start your own online business. And my business advisor has told me about the affiliate marketing of Legendary. So if anyone who want to start an online business with the affiliate marketing, then the Legendary is the best option to start with it. While learning, you can earn money with affiliate. So you can see on the screen, after completing the 15-day business builder challenge, here on day 15 you have completed your business challenge, and over here you can see you can apply for the affiliate. So there are many products available in the Legendary Marketer. Here you can see marketer clubs, traffic university, affiliate marketing ebook, 15-second free lead, business blueprint, affiliate marketing, digital products. If you have your own digital products and you don't know how to promote it, then they will give you from the beginning till end the business blueprint, events and mastermind, coaching and consulting. There are many products available in Legendary Marketer. So if you are interested in learning with Legendary Marketer, then the link is in the description below.